think it gets any more best friend than this.
Hey guys, so today we are filming the best friend tag, but with a twist.
Ooh, okay, so the loser has to take a cupcake to their face by the other person. So we both
Naturally just got some vanilla cupcakes.
I asked you guys to ask us questions on my Snapchat. You can send in a video, you can send in a picture, you can send in an actual chat.
The one that doesn't answer right gets a cupcake smashed into their face. But if both of us get it wrong, then I guess we both get a cupcake smashed into our face. I honestly don't think I'm gonna get any cupcakes smashed into my face.
I'm not gonna get anything wrong. I know you so well.
Okay.
So I got a ton of snaps. No particular order.
Hi guys, I don't know if you guys remember me from the Janeko concert.
Oh yeah!
So sweet and beautiful and nice. But what's your guys' favorite store to shop at? Love you.
Oh wait.
Okay, so what's my...
easy?
I don't know, but we have to like answer for each other.
Yeah.
By the way, we love you too, girly. You're
Yes,
so sweet.
we remember you.
And you're so
You're so
beautiful,
sweet.
and your eyebrows are on point.
Fleek.
Do I even have a favorite store?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, this one's easy.
No, it can't be like sponsored stuff.
I know, but like still. I think like
all-time favorite store. You know mine? I don't even know mine. Clothing store?
yeah, right? Oh wait, no, I know your favorite store.
How come I don't know yours?
Well, let me just get my cupcake ready.
For clothes?
Okay, this one should be easy. Not for clothes. It doesn't have to be for clothes. I'm about to get smashed in your face. How's my best friend gonna get the first question wrong already? So my answer to your favorite store is Home Goods, right?
That's right. And I'm gonna say yours for like workout stuff and all that is TJ Maxx.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, I'm disappointed. I wanted to smash this
She
in your
was
face.
so excited. Let's go ahead and open the next video we got.
Where did you guys meet and when? Where does Kiara want to travel with you?
Oh.
Okay, this is okay. No, it can't be Miami. It can't be Miami or Thailand. It has to be another place that we talked about. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Greece, right? No, please.
Bali.
Okay, that was my answer.
No, this is the moment. And it's always the ones who have something to say. It's always the ones that say, oh, I'm not gonna lose. I'm not gonna. You're about to get this right now. I hope you know.
Oh my god. Pimples are screaming my name.
I have never been. How could you forget about Bali?
Just couldn't think about the name. Like, should I not breathe?
I'm not gonna hate you. I'm just gonna smash.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
She went in. They better give you hard questions, cause next video is from Luana, my fancy.
Yes.
Hey Aidette and Kiara, I miss you guys so much.
We miss you.
Don't forget my Wednesday, it's so cold here in New York. But I have a question for the both of you. What do you guys both order at McDonald's? Hey Aidette and Kiara, I miss you guys so much. Don't mind me, my Wednesday, it's so cold here. I also wanted to say that I love you guys both so very much, and I'm so proud of the both of you to see how much you guys have grown. It makes me so happy, and I can't wait to see you guys at BeautyCon New York this year. Hopefully you guys
Okay.
go. I don't know if you guys are going, but if you do, I can't wait to see you there, and I might do a surprise for you.
Our McDonald's order. No one's gonna be smashing a cupcake. We know.
No
this
way, but what? Like, do I have your all-time favorite, right? Because we switch off.
We do switch off. Okay, I'm gonna go first.
Okay, if we had to
you
pick
go.
one, I
know
think
yours.
yours.
It's just in my. It depends. My mood.
A 10-piece chicken McNugget, a medium French fry, and if you don't get a vanilla iced coffee, you either get a Coke or you don't get anything at all.
Yeah. It depends on your mood, but most of the time you get a plain cheeseburger.
Okay.
No veggies, nothing, with medium fries.
Okay.
And you also get a vanilla iced coffee, and sometimes you ask for like caramel drizzle if they can do that. And if not, then you'll get a Coke for sure.
You're right. Okay, if you weren't doing YouTube, what would you be doing? Okay, so for you, I would say if you weren't doing YouTube, you would get into real estate.
Yeah.
And what would I be doing if I wasn't doing YouTube?
There's like other things, but like that's...
No, yeah. Like,
And what you would be doing for sure is a freelance makeup artist.
yes.
Or you would actually do interior design. Okay, just out of curiosity, do you know like what other things I would do? I've talked about this like all the time, like before. Like I was so sure I was gonna do that.
You love psychology.
Oh yeah,
That was like your favorite
Psychologist.
thing.
Yeah.
Like more things that you loved. You really wanted to pursue cheer. Like
Yeah,
YouTube wasn't
yeah.
in the, you know,
Picture.
in the picture.
You guys should ask each other what you most crave during your period.
Oh my gosh.
Okay,
I know yours. I know what you crave.
Okay, yeah, you know. I think you know.
You go first though.
You never talk about it. Always crave McDonald's though. Like,
okay,
always.
yeah, that's mine.
Okay.
Okay, and you crave cookies. You always crave cookies.
No.
You?
Dude, I always crave like chili cheese fries.
Okay. Dude, I was so confident.
It's always ones that talk.
Shut up. Please
All right.
don't smash it like hard. And don't get my lap.
Or you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would.
Wow. Wow. Eat it.
Next time you fucking put a hand on me, I'ma fucking rip your face off, bitch.
Wow. The thing is, getting it on my phone was really the cherry on top. I mean, oh.
She put it on my leg.
What's the place that your best friend wants to go once they get married? Okay, you should know this.
Oh yeah. She wants to go to Egypt, right?
Yeah, that's one of them. That wasn't my first choice, but it's okay.
Oh yeah, you want to live in Miami.
But you knew that. I mean, like, that's obvious.
I never talked about that.
I feel like you would love just to go, honestly, anywhere, but, you know, I'm more of like, I talk more about like traveling. Not that you don't, but she loves New York, guys. Like, she has this deep love for New York.
There's not like really one place that I like thought about it before, just like,
well, she loves like tropical, so anything tropical.
The other question is, what's our biggest fear? You fart?
No. It's the cupcakes. You should know mine.
You're scared of the ocean, aren't you?
Guys, I literally told her my biggest fear today. You're taking this cupcake. You're taking it. I'm sorry. I told you my biggest fear was getting into a car accident.
I didn't think that was your biggest fear though. I swear, I thought you told me that you were like scared of like drowning in the ocean or something.
That too, but I literally told you today.
Okay, but you never told me that it was your biggest fear.
Okay, I'm gonna let the cupcake speak for itself, guys.
I'm like slowly eating this cupcake right now. Oh no, you're gonna smash this one.
And eat it. We just got the thumbnail, dude.
You really said eat it.
That's what you said.
It's in my nose.
Oh my gosh.